All right. So everything's already set up. I have my 2 boxes out in front of me. If you guys watched the randomizer video, I said that we had the green packs if you were in the 7th and 13th spot. So these are the green Panini packs. So Mark, one of these is yours, and Jared, you get the other one. So you'll be getting those. I'm just going to move them out of my way. And in my slots 1 through 5, I have TJ, Joey, Carter, Kenny, and TJ again. So you guys will be getting these. Cool. These are from Panini as well. There are good stuff in those packs. You can ask TJ. TJ has gotten a promo pack from us before and pulled a relic. So, not too shabby for a promo pack. Please don't fall over. Okay, so this is going to be Scott's box, so I'm just going to put this one over here to the side. And this one is mine. So these are 2 boxes of Panini Prizm. It says 3 autographs and 9 numbered parallels per box on average. Here we go. I wish you guys the best of luck. I hope you guys get everything you want and more. Put my fancy knife away so I don't cut myself. Because at the rate we're going, that's probably something I would do tonight. Jeez. All right. These packs are so thick. I love this stuff. All right, box is empty. Here we go. Good luck, you guys. Bear with me if my phone falls over again. Lord. Okay, here we go. Oh, I forgot how pretty they are. Okay, Mike Glennon, Trevor Simeon, Eric Berry, Larry Fitzgerald, Ty Montgomery, Robbie Anderson, Jadeveon Clowney. It looks like we have something already. Ooh. Dede Westbrook on the Jaguars. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Okay, who has my Jaguars? Jaguars. That's Jacksonville, right? TJ. Congratulations, doll. This one's for you. So it's Dede Westbrook. It is numbered. It's numbered 10 of 149. 10 of 149. Yeah? That's awesome. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside, and then when I put down the rest of my cards, I'll sleeve it for you. Tre'Davious White, this is a rookie card. Solomon Davis, this is a rookie card. Jamal Charles, and Marcus Mariota. Nice, you guys. So right off the rip, we already have one. That's great. Okay, so let me just sleeve this. Normally I have Scott doing my sleeving, but he had to run out quick. I'm all by myself. Okay. Here we go. Into the sleeve. And there it is. Oh, it's so sparkly. Oh, I can't even take it. I can't take it. Oh, let me put it into view. Okay. There it is. Don't boo me, Santelli. You're just jealous because you're not here at the moment. All right. Bobby Wagner. Blake Bortles. Alshon Jeffrey. Kyle Rudolph, Patrick Peterson, Vance McDonald, Deshaun Watson. This is a rookie introduction. I don't see anything numbered, but still a pretty cool card. Flip this one around. Oh, it's so pretty. This is a Leonard Fournette rookie on the Jaguars too. This one is numbered. 33 of 149. Hi, William. That's a nice one. That's a good hit. I know that name. I know that name. Okay. Kevin King. This is a rookie card. Chad Williams, rookie. Jesse James. What an awesome name. Jesse James. John Brown. And just a kid reporter. Ooh, that Leonard Fournette. Okay, we're going to sleeve that because I know Scott would be like, you need to put that in a sleeve. Yes, dear. So you can hear him talking to me even though he's not even here. Put that in a sleeve. Okay. So I'll see if he wants me to put that in a hard one too. Hi, Shane. Hi, Robert. Okay, here we go. Damon Harrison, Marvin Jones Jr., Lamar Miller, Zach Ertz, Will Fuller, Frank Gore, Dak Prescott. Ooh, again, the Jaguars again? Jalen Ramsey? Look at that one. Oh, yeah, that's numbered too. Okay. Let's see. This one is 38 out of 49. Jalen Ramsey. Hi, Robert. Let me look. Hold on. Robert. I don't have you in my football. I have you in my baseball. Yeah. I bet, TJ. Nathan Peterman. It is a Jaguar night. This is a rookie card. Joe Williams. This is a rookie card. Jalen Ramsey again. Deshaun Jackson. And one of the NFL shops, which if you guys want them, just let me know. We have a couple of them now. Oh. I'm like, wait, Robert, don't scare me like that. Jeez Louise. Why do they make these so hard to get into? Okay. Yeah, if Scott's not back in time, I guess I'm just going to have to break his box. Kyle Williams. Okay, hold on. Back. Oh, no. I'm back, Jack. Adam Vinatieri. James Harrison. Antonio Gates. Marquise Lee. JJ.
He's good.
Ooh.
He's on the Eagles.
Can you answer Frank for me, please? Yeah. This is an illumination of Deshaun Watson. Look at that. It's not numbered, but it's awful pretty.
That's a good one.
Illumination of Deshaun Watson. That's really pretty. Okay, let's see who this guy is. Reuben Foster on the 49ers. This one is numbered. 108 of 275. That one, it's orange. Sleeve it, he says. Yep. Well, Scott's back now, so I'm going to put him to work sleeving. Sleeve, please.
It's not in my union contract.
Well, it's in your union contract now. Sidney Jones rookie. Carlos Henderson. Kelvin Benjamin. And Corey Coleman. And a kid reporter. Did you answer, Frank? Please. All right, let's get some of these.
Come on, Nickel. Come on, Nickel.
That one's cool.
David, if you give me... David's like, I'll give you 5 cents if you give me 6 cents back.
Right. Are you coming to see us, Robert?
Don't come for the prison boxes. They're currently sold out till Monday.
Yeah, Monday we won't have any more till then.
I don't restock till Monday afternoon.
Should I put Leonard Fournette in a hard one?
Yeah.
Okay, here. You want to do that for me? Ooh, I love that red one. Okay.
Ooh, it's numbered. Did you know that?
Yeah, I know it's numbered. I said it was numbered.
Yeah, you can put that on display in the back.
Isn't he great? Look at that card. These are so sick. I love them.
Who got the Jags?
TJ.
Oh.
I know.
Well, he only bought 20.
The auto is D.D. Westbrook on the Jaguars.
He purchased, like, what? 38 spots?
Tyler Eifert. Brian Orakpo. James White.
Rockpo is good.
Ben Roethlisberger.
I see color.
Shh, quiet. It's my color, not your color. DeMarco Murray. Lorenzo Alexander.
Kuechly.
Oh, I'm glad you said that. Luke Kuechly. Oh, here we go. Here's my auto. Brad Kea
I don't know.
on the Lions.
Yeah, I
Who's
heard.
that? Detroit.
Yeah.
TJ again.
It's numbered. Are you kidding me?
TJ.
This is a conspiracy.
37 out of 49. That's nice. Look at that, baby. Woohoo! Here, can you sleep up?
Yeah.
Thank you. Kalfani Muhammad. It's a rookie. Isaiah McKenzie. Cody Kessler. Theo Riddick. And another one in the NFL shop.
Well, I'm not getting...
What?
I'm not going to put it in a hard case because TJ's picking it up.
Oh.
All of these are... These can... That can go on display in the back.
Well, I'm very limited to my area since Facebook yelled at me to turn my phone around tonight. It's like, you cannot put your phone in that direction. Okay.
There's another Jag.
You know. All right, here we go. Mike Wallace. Rob Gronkowski. Gronk, Gronk. Thomas Rawls. Carson Wentz. David Johnson. Jarvis Landry. Gerald McCoy.
Ooh, what is that?
This is a Cowboys card.
Ugh. Is it TJ again? Seriously?
Jason Witten on the Cowgirls.
That's not
Cowboys. 50 of 99.
I can get sleeved.
That's pretty. Look at that.
So can the next card.
Here, sleeve it.
The next one's nice too.
Kareem Hunt, rookie. Zay Jones, rookie.
Well, this is TJ.
Keenan Allen. Matt Forte, and a kid reporter. We are David.
Sleeve that.
Sleeve it.
Alright, we need to get like a Deshaun Watson auto. Or I would be happy with
What a Gronk.
with Watt's brother, CJ.
Oh,
Yeah.
JJ Watt's brother?
Yeah, CJ Watt.
Josh McCown. LaShawn McCoy. Khalil Mack. Travis Benjamin. Brandon LaFell. Cameron Meredith.
Ooh, what is that guy?
This is Mike Williams for the Chargers. This is a rookie introduction card.
That's the relic then.
Not numbered.
Alright,
Still nice.
that one can get sleeved.
Carlos Henderson rookie. What, the Mike Williams? You want that one?
No,
This
that
one?
one, yeah.
Here.
Because it's numbered. Did you show them?
Oh, it is numbered?
Yeah,
oh,
149.
Okay. Christian McCaffrey rookie.
That's a good one.
The Carlos Henderson on the Broncos is a numbered card. It's number 4 of 149. We almost have a number 1.
Close.
Ooh. On the Broncos. Who's on the Broncos? That one goes to Shane. Shane! Look at your baby. Christian McCaffrey, which I already said. Josh Malone. Kenny Britt. And Paul...
Polazinski.
What he said. And a kid reporter.
The Polish tank.
The Polish tank. Oh, is that... Wait, wasn't there another Polish tank the other night? Polish, Irish... No. Finnish? The guy's name that I was like, I can't say that. It used like more than half the alphabet in his last name. Okay. Next is Doug Baldwin, Jeremy Hill, Julius Peppers, Kevin White, Tom Savage,
He's a bum.
Ezekiel Elliott,
There's another bum.
Jason Witten, knock it off, Paul Perkins.
Loser.
This one's for the Giants. It is numbered 147 out of 199.
Let me have that
Who
one.
had my Giants? Carter. Carter has my
So
Giants.
this is like a blue. Like
It is blue.
blue refractor.
Is his name Adore? Adore Jackson, Ricky? Adore. Alvin Kamara. That's a rookie
That's
card.
a good one.
Oop.
We're putting that one on a sleeve. Everybody's going nuts over this guy.
Oh, yes. I saw somebody say Kamara the other night.
Yeah.
Who is he? They're like, the Kamara, the Kamara. I'm like, what is a Kamara?
Well, that one's going in a sleeves.
Eric Ebron and Michael Thomas. Yes, now that you mentioned that, I did see people
See?
saying that.
Kamara's no joke.
Yeah. And he plays for the Saints?
Yep. Yeah, rookie of the year, without a doubt. I thought Kareem Hunt would get it, but...
So, Joey, that Kamara is yours. It gets her fantasy points. That's awesome. I guess I haven't been watching enough football. Richard Sherman, Demarius Thomas, Mike Barron, Matt Ryan, Chris Hogan, Tyrell Williams, Joe Flacco.
That's something.
Here's one for the Broncos.
Orange.
Emmanuel Sanders. This is orange. So, Shane, this one's yours.
That's probably numbered.
This is numbered 30 of 275. Ooh. Josh Reynolds. Ardarius Stewart. This is a rookie card. Marshawn Lynch. And Jeremy Maclin. And another promo, 18% off.
Somebody saying Josh Reynolds, nice. So, only what, 2 autos so far? I'm looking for any Carson Wentz. We have them. Zach Ertz, I have him in the shop. Alvin Kamara, I don't have. Tom Brady, not for sale. Dalvin Cook, colors or Prism, if anyone is trading. I'm not trading, only selling, sorry. I have tons of Carson Wentz rookies.
Yep. Zach Miller, Doug Martin, Robert Kelly, Sheldon Richardson, Alex Smith. Ooh. Brady.
JJ.
JJ Watt.
Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, who's got the Giants?
The Giants is Carter.
Does he want to sell
That's
them?
an Odell Beckham. Very nice. It is numbered.
I'm interested in that if you're watching. I'm a Giants fan.
89 out of 149. Stop trying to purchase the goods.
Oh, it's one card.
Taco Charlton, this is a rookie card. Garyon Conley, that's a rookie card. Terrence Williams and Todd Gurley and a kid reporter. I love Brady. He's such a hunk. That and Gronk. And Edelman. I like them all. My team is just good looking.
Don't mush up the video.
Amari Cooper, Charles Sims, Ryan Tannehill, Jordan Matthews, Alan Hearns, C.J. Mosley, Brandon Cooks. Ooh, look at that one.
I have Ben Simmons rookies, Allen Iverson autographs, Allen Iverson relics. I do have a shop. Just PM me, James, please.
You're interrupting my video.
Ooh, you're right. That's sick.
Thank you. Josh Doctson on the Redskins.
Yeah, he's actually good. What's that number to?
This is numbered 6 of 75.
Ooh.
So who has my Redskins?
That's like an ice something, I think.
Oh, the ice ones.
Yeah.
Shane. You watching, darling? Here you go.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Noah Brown, this is a rookie card. Jamal Williams. Matt Stafford.
Oh, it's cracked ice. That's
And Golden Tate. Oh, yeah. This is called Cracked
Yeah,
Ice.
it's cracked ice. But was this for TJ too?
No, that's Shane's. Shane had the Redskins. Okay. This is the last pack for me, and then Scott will do his box. Okay, we have Dion Lewis.
Ooh.
Derek Carr.
Ooh.
Tyrod Taylor.
Ugh.
Cam Newton. Carlos Hyde.
Ooh.
Von Miller. LeGarrette Blount.
Oh, is that guy any good?
Here we go. On the Eagles, Shelton Gibson.
Here, okay, my Eagles fans, is this guy good? Is Bill Elvin watching the video?
TJ again.
Is that TJ again? Seriously?
Oh my God. TJ, you're killing it. All right, 106 out of 149. There you go.
Wow, that's...
Finish up mine. It's Matthew Days. This is a rookie card. Deshaun Watson. That's a rookie.
That's a good one.
Okay. TJ Yeldon and Brian Hoyer.
You can throw that one in the trash.
God. Somebody's sassy tonight. Very nice.
When we do the next video, we'll fix the phone so we can get the other view. They can't even see half the time.
All right. We're going to switch. Be careful with it.
I don't even want to touch it.
Don't.
The ankle sucks. They can't even see much.
No. It was yelling at me, though.
I'm trying. I'm blocking the light. Those are some of the hits, guys. So right now we have 3 so far. If you guys can use them for Christmas, let us know. Paul Clement auto in the box. I don't know. I hope I pull. I like Deshaun Watson a lot, but he's hurt now. All right, let me move some of these base cards out of the way. All right, the good news and the bad news. The good news is we have one more box. The bad news is everybody will get something but TJ. No offense, TJ. Jeez, I've never seen somebody hit it. Well, the Aaron Judge was one good hit. 8 of 10 the other night. Now, I wish everybody good luck. Oh, Chris, hey. You made it. I hate the phone like this. It sucks. So let's pull these packs out. Like a super fractor. All right, guys, box is empty. Good luck, everyone. Do you do personal boxes? Yeah, we do personal boxes. We sell these boxes. We try to bring some to, for breaks. to introduce ourselves and, you know, make it available for people who may not have a local card store. All right, first pack, guys. Good luck. Better be good. I'll try, Chris. Robert Woods. Well, you're a Niners fan. There's nobody good on the Niners right now except for Garoppolo till they destroy him. Randall Cobb. Martellus Bennett. Sam Bradford. Julian Edelman. Zach Ertz. I felt thick, but it's not numbered or anything. Will Fuller. Here's an orange one. Lorenzo Alexander for the Bills. This one is numbered. If you guys can see that. 135 of 275. You want to sleeve that, babe? Zay Jones rookie. Adoree Jackson rookie. I gotta center this more. Jamal Charles. Jamie Collins, that's a decent one, and then one of those kid reporters. All right, pack number 2. I don't know. Maybe it's the way it comes off the assembly line. Like it comes from a different direction and it gets inverted. And oh, that was close. Gets inverted to the pack differently. These cards are slick. Khalil Mack. Travis Benjamin. Another Richard Sherman. Tyrell Williams. Unibrow.
What is a unibrow?
Alan Hearns. CJ Mosley. Oh. What is this? A Josh Malone. There you go. Josh Malone auto. It's a base. It's not numbered. So whoever had my Bengals, which I have covered up at the moment, with the kid reporters. Josh Malone auto, guys. Mark, this is yours. I like this kid. Here, do you want to sleeve that one, babe? Mm-hmm. And then we have Solomon Thomas, Sidney Jones, Lorenzo Alexander, C.J. Anderson. All right, guys, next pack.
It's such a tiny little signature.
Thomas Rawls. Oh, Carson Wentz. Possible MVP. Doug Baldwin. Tom Savage. Ezekiel Elliott. Jason Witten. Remember the last pack? They were back-to-back. Look, back-to-back again. Brandon LaFell. And this is a numbered one. 63 of 75. Oh, purple cracked ice auto. There you go. Charles Harris. This is the purple cracked ice auto.
Jared's.
This is Jared's. Yeah, this is numbered.
Right?
Yep, Dolphins. 63 of 75. Wow, that's really nice. That's sharp. I'll sleeve that one up. Yeah, I love the cracked ice too, Natalie. It's really sharp.
Pretty.
Ardarius Stewart. Noah Brown. Terrence Williams. Quincy. And again, I mean, we have these 18% off. Just claim them, guys. We're up to 4 of them now. Next pack. Yeah, I want something sick, though. I want, like, a high-profile auto. Yeah, but I want a high-profile auto of, like, cracked ice. I don't know. Yeah, Brady, somebody. All right,
I
Chris.
would cry if we got a Brady.
All right, my childhood friend there, Chris Wren, he wants one.
Okay.
Paul Perkins, he's bust. DeAndre Hopkins, there you go. That's a decent one, even though it's base. Jared Cook. Mohamed Sanu. Cody Kessler. Terrence Williams. T.Y. Yeldon. Oh, here's some color. We've got an orange. There's that cracked ice. Purple. I know you guys can't. The camera angle's bad, but all the autos are lined up. This was the next one, that Brian Oropko. That's a good one, numbered. That's 11 of 275. That one's got to be sleeved. Please. David Moore, rookie. Jeremy McNichols, rookie. Eddie Lacy. Drew Brees.
Little Breezy.
And one of the kid reporters. I haven't opened the Illusions yet.
No, but I'm hearing people really like that.
The Illusions, all of that crazy high-end football, as soon as my wholesaler makes it available, I'm ordering it all for 2018. There's going to be allocations, so yeah, I can only get what I can get. I have to build my allocations up. Demetrius Thomas. I mean, for those, you guys open. Mark Barron, Amari Cooper, Brandon Cooks. Well, I can tell you this. We should be able to get quite a bit. We've already spent close to $30,000 in cases that are coming for 2018 baseball. Larry Fitzgerald. I did last night. Got 2 dual autos in the same box. Yeah, that's crazy stuff. Ty Montgomery. Ooh. Oh, here you go. Instant Impact. Here's a good one. Juju Smith-Schuster. Prizim Basketball. Yeah, I missed the cut, so unfortunately I have to get it at a trumped-up price, but I'll get it. I'm waiting for a wholesaler to have it available. Yeah. Yeah, this is nice. Who had Pittsburgh?
Natalie. Yay!
Oh, there you go, Natalie. This guy's really good, too, and he's down to earth. This guy was riding a 10-speed to work, and somebody stole his bike. Let's leave that one. Mm-hmm. Robert Davis. Orange, rookie. Let's see. This one's numbered 165 of 275. This one can get sleeved, too, babe. Carlos Henderson, he's good. Kalada Fani Muhammad. Julius Thomas. Antonio Brown, there's a decent one. And another kid reporter. All right, next pack. The Chronicles, it's Panini's answer to Triple Threads to a degree. When you get hits, the cards are nice. The base cards are absolute trash. I can't stand them. They're ugly. Some people like them.
We do not.
I do not.
But that Aaron Judge we pulled, 8 of 10 speaks for
itself. Yeah. Spencer Ware. Ooh, Tyreek Hill. Darren Lee. Jesse James. Tyrann Mateo. Oh, Aaron Rodgers. That feels thick, though. It's not numbered. Aaron Donald. Here's a purple cracked ice. Hogan. So whoever had the Patriots. I love Panini baseball. You're missing out. I said the same thing. I've been Topps my whole life. But it's real simple. Do you want 4 hits per box, or do you want the greedy Topps 1? And then you get a relic card of, like, Jason Worth. Thanks a lot, Topps. 45 of 76. Cracked ice. Chris Hogan.
I'm a little jealous of that one, Frank. I like Chris Hogan.
Marcus May.
That's gorgeous.
Jonathan Allen. Carson Palmer. Eli.
Natalie's like, I want my own cracked ice.
All right, next pack. Yeah, I wish it was like Juju Smith or Antonio Brown or
Yeah, that'd be nice.
something insane. Here's a Jordan Reed. There's some more color here. Mark Ingram. Here you go. Damon Harrison. Yeah, the Spectra rookie. I pulled the Spectra of, what's his name from the Padres? Frank Gore, Dak Prescott, David Johnson, Jarvis Landry. Oh, here's a Dalvin Cook. Yep, and it's an auto. Dalvin Cook. There you guys go.
Team.
Vikings. This is a good hit.
Mark again.
There you go, Mark. Base, not numbered. DC, that's all he could put down. Here's another Kamara. Whoever had the Saints, you've got two now.
He's like, I don't have time to write out my whole name. That's bad.
Christian McCaffrey. Can you just leave that
Yes.
up after? McCaffrey, Benjamin, Jordy Nelson. All right, next pack, guys. Again, if anybody can use these, let us know. We're back up to 4. You guys can use these if anybody's doing any Christmas shopping. Let's see what we got. Sterling Shepard. Geno Atkins. Michael Crabtree. I don't see his chain. Oh, there it is. Jordan Howard. Rashard Matthews. Duke Johnson. Oh, here's a nice one. What is this? Super Bowl MVPs. Emmitt Smith. Screw you, Emmett.
It's not nice.
It's not numbered, but this is pretty cool. This is like an insert. Whoever has the Cowboys tonight. TJ again, of course. Who was that auto? That auto was Dalvin Cook, Minnesota Vikings. Why, you have them too, TJ?
No. Mark does.
Here's a Mohamed Sanu. This is like a prism or something. This is numbered. Ooh, it's really low, too. 8 of 149. That's a good hit. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm trying to get the phone to focus. 8 of 149, Mohamed Sanu.
Falcons.
Yep.
Joey,
that's yours. Joe Williams. Oh, here's another Kareem Hunt. Whoever had the Chiefs. You want to sleeve that one.
Carter.
Matthew Stafford. And Ted Ginn Jr. I want to make another pile. All right. Oh, still has some more fun. 4 packs. Let's see. We got Danny Woodhead. Sammy Watkins, who's now on the Rams. And this will be a Rams card because it says traded to Rams on it. Just so there's no discrepancy, guys. Des Bryant, Mike Evans, that's a good one. Cole Beasley, Phillip Rivers. Ooh, what's this? Here's a Rise Up, Richard Sherman. That's pretty nice. And I see some color. Oh, a Derek Barnett, Eagles, green cracked ice. Did you have the Eagles, Chris?
No.
7 of 99. Wow, this is nice.
TJ.
TJ had the Eagles?
Yeah.
Oh, my God. Here's a Juju Smith-Schuster rookie.
Natalie's.
That's you, Natalie. Chris had the Rams. Sorry, brother. I know you're a Niners fan. Nathan Peterman. Marshawn Lynch. Pierre Garçon. And a kid reporter. Hey, Chris, if nobody else claims these, you can have them all, man. All right, next pack. This whole thing, like, it won't even focus the background like it normally does at this angle. Like, they can't even view the rookies. Marvin Jones Jr., Lamar Miller, Mike Wallace. Here's a Gronk. Gerald McCoy, Kevin White. Oh, here's a nice one. Dan Marino, class of 2005 Hall of Fame card. That's pretty cool. I don't think it's numbered. Nope. Here's a Joe Mixon blue parallel. That's a good one. That's numbered. Bengals. 97 to 199. You guys can see. There you go, Mark. Oh, low battery. I got to hurry up and charge for the next week because we have another break. Yeah. Josh Malone, Josh Reynolds, Cody Kessler. There's that Josh Doxson again and a kid reporter. All right, 2 more packs. So we got Jeremy Hill. Hey guys, make sure if, we have your address because we want to mail everything out Monday morning for you guys. Josh McCown, LaShawn McCoy, Cameron Meredith, Matt Ryan, Chris Hogan. Here's a blue one. Paul Blazinski again. The Polish tank. 92 of 199. Man, we're pulling some decent stuff. Yeah, we're open for you, TJ. Pull a Black Infinity. I'll try. What is that, like a 101? Jamal Williams, I have 1 pack left. Tre'Davious White, there's a good one. DeMarco Murray, Terrell Suggs, Kid Reporter. Last pack. Please, something crazy. Yeah, 101, yep. 101, Deshaun Watson.
101, Tom Brady.
Yeah, that'd be worth it, too. Brandon Marshall. Dante Moncrief. Latavius Murray. Marshawn Lynch again. Matthew Stafford. Jamal Charles. Kelvin Benjamin, that's a good one. Here's Brandon Cooks. There's a good one. Blue parallel. That's numbered. That is 106 of 199. Finally. I believe this guy is going to be the real deal. Patrick Mahomes III, rookie. Oh, look at that. Damage from the pack. Yep. See that, guys? That's not us. That sucks. I'm sorry. Derek Barnett. Right, Panini. They'll probably give you something. Delaney Walker. T.Y. Hilton. And another 18% off. That's it, guys. So, again, thank you, everyone, for purchasing in.
We had fun. I hope you guys had fun.
Yeah, I had fun. We still have all these off. All of these off. We still have all of these. If anybody's interested, you guys can have them. Just make sure we have your mailing address so we can get your cards out Monday morning. And yes, TJ, I can open for you tomorrow. And anybody else that's local that needs to stop by tomorrow, I will open the store for you. You guys have a good night. Thanks. Bye.